Hello, my friend. Welcome back to FluentX. Today, I want to share a simple, warm English story with you. A story about two people, walking, talking, learning, and living gently. As you listen, your English will grow naturally, without pressure. If these calm stories help you feel safe while learning, feel free to subscribe so you never lose this peaceful space. Now let's follow Ethan and Lily, a couple going shopping together on a sunny afternoon. Listen softly, learn slowly.
Lily, are you ready to go?
Yes, give me 1 minute. I just need my bag.
Take your time. We're not in a hurry.
That's good. I love slow days.
Me too. Shopping is better when we feel calm.
Exactly. Let's enjoy the walk.
Do we need anything special?
Just a few things for the house.
Perfect. Let's go.
Okay, I'm ready. The weather feels so soft today.
Yes, the air is warm and peaceful,
I love walking with you like this.
and I love talking with you.
Look, the market is already busy.
I can hear people laughing and chatting.
It feels alive, right?
Yes, in a gentle way.
Let's go slowly through the crowd.
Always.
Wow, look at all these colors.
Markets always make me happy.
Should we start with clothes or groceries?
Clothes first. It's more fun.
Agreed. We can check the new jackets.
I saw a cute one last time.
Let's find it.
And maybe something for you, too.
I'm open to it.
Let's see what we find. Oh, look at this sweater. It's adorable.
The color really suits you.
You think so?
Absolutely. Try it on.
What about this jacket for you?
It's simple. I like it.
Simple looks good on you.
Thanks. Should I try it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Let's check the mirror.
This jacket feels comfortable.
It looks perfect on you.
Really? Not too big?
No, just right.
Then maybe I'll take it.
I think you should.
And what about your sweater?
It feels soft and warm.
Then we both found something.
That makes me happy. Do you want to check the shoe store?
Yes, but let's walk slowly.
I love slow shopping
It gives us time to talk.
and time to enjoy the moment.
Exactly.
Look, that couple looks so cute.
They remind me of us.
Really?
Yes, calm and happy. These shoes look comfortable.
Try walking in them.
Okay. Wow, they feel great.
They look great too.
Should I buy them?
I think you should.
And what about you?
I'm looking at these sandals.
They're cute.
I know, I might buy them.
Do you want to rest for a moment?
Yes, my feet are tired.
Let's sit on this bench.
Good idea.
I love watching people.
Me too. Every person has a story.
Just like we do.
Yes, our own little story.
And it's a calm one.
My favorite kind. Let's buy some fruits.
Apples?
Yes, and bananas too.
What about strawberries?
Ooh, yes, they look fresh.
I'll take a box.
Let's also get some bread.
Good idea.
We're almost done.
Perfect.
What should we cook tonight?
Something simple.
Pasta?
That sounds great.
With vegetables?
Yes, that's perfect.
And maybe tea later?
Always.
Good.
I love evenings with you. Let's put everything on the counter.
Sure.
The cashier looks friendly.
Yes, the atmosphere feels peaceful.
Do you want to pay together?
Yes, we always do.
I like that.
Me too.
Thank you.
Let's go home. Today was really nice.
Yes, calm and simple.
My favorite days are like this.
Mine too.
Shopping with you feels easy.
Talking with you feels natural.
That's sweet.
It's true.
Let's walk slowly.
Always.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
I feel safe when I'm with you.
That means a lot.
You make everything calm.
And you make everything warm.
That's beautiful.
It's how I feel.
Thank you.
Always.
You bought more than me today.
Really?
Yes, look at the bags.
Oh, wow, you're right.
I'm proud of you.
Don't say that.
Why not?
Because now I feel like a shopaholic.
You are.
Maybe a little. We should do this more often.
Yes, I like spending quiet time together.
Just simple days.
Simple days are the best days.
And the most peaceful.
And the most memorable.
True.
Let's make more memories.
I'd love that.
We're almost home.
Yes, the street looks calm.
I love this place.
And I love that it feels like us.
Peaceful,
Peaceful.
warm,
Warm.
home.
Home.
Let's put the bags down.
My arms are tired,
Mine too.
but it was worth it.
Definitely.
Want some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Anytime.
I'll take out the fruits.
I'll put the bread away.
The strawberries look delicious.
Yes, they were a good choice.
And your jacket looks good too.
So does your sweater.
Thank you.
Today was fun.
Very fun. I feel calm tonight.
Me too.
Days like this are special
Because they're simple
and full of kindness.
and full of us.
That's sweet.
It's true.
Let's rest now.
Yes, let's. My friend, this simple story teaches beautiful English. Short sentences, slow rhythm, calm tone, and gentle everyday vocabulary. This is how English becomes natural. This is how your mind relaxes enough to learn. Let Ethan and Lily's story remind you English grows with peace, not pressure. Thank you for listening. Your voice is safe here. FluentX. Learn English fast and simple.